literally 3 pieces away. Just a height comparison. And then this is where most likely the entrance will be. Ah, focus up. Alright, maybe I was wrong. There's a little more than 6 pieces, but this bitch is almost done. I'm super excited. I had a great day at SeaWorld with all the cringe kids and all the groups of fucking people here. It was great. Can't wait to ride this hopefully in May, if not June, if not CoasterCon. So talk to you guys later.
Learn to walk, you wrinkly little poodle cock. If I were your mother, I'd drown your ass in boiling water. You're a sack of putrid shit. Dig a hole, jump in it. You really don't deserve to be left alive. So hold your breath until you're blue. Fuck your mom and sister too. Your family and friends will all die because of what you've done today.